Express. Express. Express bastante. Express favorite.
Good. Go down and have a look anyway. Okay, so we're looking around here. We're just seeing what the people get the best positions here for photos, the best spots. This looks like another good spot here. And my little tour guide, Bubba, she reckons yesterday the weather wasn't so good, so the people who came out yesterday didn't get a view of Mount Fuji. But today, look at that, lovely. Eh? Come at the right time. Bubba picked the right time. Another good spot here. Here, good spot, recording. Another good spot there. That's interesting. Got a train line in the background. That's quite good. Bubba's got to work out the spot. That'd be a good one, dear. Good spot, would it? Good spot. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. This good?
Okay, great. There's someone in the background.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah? Thank you. Good. Okay. Sure. What's it look like? Again, next one? Just one photo.
That's Mount Fuji.
It's good there. That's a good one. And there it is, right there.
This one? What's smiling? It's nice.
Good there, good. Okay. Get back that way.
You're blocking the Mount Fuji.
This way? Get back, long shot, long shot.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one?
We us.
Okay.
Yeah?
This one can take a spot.
Okay.
There you
The
go.
Mount
Two?
Fuji.
Two, yeah. Long shot?
Wait for a moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Look here.
Long shot.
Smile. Yeah.
Mount Fuji.
More.
Okay. What's that? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
Okay, so you can obviously hire a bike and ride as well. Gonna walk across here, see what's across here. Trying to get the perfect photo opportunity. Train on here. It's the trains. Like a field. And like I said, it's a perfect day, Bubba. Huh? This way, turn this way. Turn around this way. What do you reckon? Are you excited?
Yeah, it's nice. Mount Fuji, Papa. Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji? What can you say? First time?
Yeah, first
Are
time.
you super excited?
Yeah, excited to see Mount Fuji
Yeah,
here
and a perfect day.
in Tokyo. Yes,
Tokyo.
it's perfect.
First time.
Perfect day.
Bubba's idea to come to. You got to go to Tokyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what she says.
Do you like Tokyo, Baba?
I think Tokyo is good, Bubba. It's
Nice.
you got to be very fit, but and have good legs to walk around. Because it's not all escalators everywhere. It's just sometimes it's stairs. So yeah, we took a look around here, and what a perfect day. What more can you say, dear? Perfect day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect
Yeah?
day, Papa.
Trying to get in someone's frame. So yeah, we got the bus up. We got the bus, and it wasn't too bad actually. A few empty seats on the bus, and today's Sunday. Sunday, dear.
Sunday,
Yeah,
Papa.
got a few good shots.
Later we go to the lake. We go to the
Oh, it's going to be a big day,
cable
dear.
car,
It's going to be a very
and
big day.
then we'll try the sightseeing bus.
Sightseeing bus.
Yes, Papa.
So it sounds like it's going to be a big day, dear.
Yes, it's a big day. It's a full day tour,
Yes.
Papa.
Big full day with a nice fine weather.
Yes,
Temperature's
fine.
nice,
Yeah,
so-
yeah, just right.
So didn't need to bring the jumper, but you just don't know.
Good thing you didn't bring your jumper. I bring my jumper with me.
Yeah, that's
I have
true.
my jumper.
I want to try and have less weight. Okay, let's look around. Hey, look at Bubba.
Famous Lawson.
Look at, huh?
Famous Lawson
What's
here.
What else want to say?
Here.
Here. Huh? Lawson's. No, Lawson's is the food place. Yeah. Are they lining up for the bus, dear? Huh? Maybe. Yeah. Lawson's. Where are you going, dear? Huh?
We will check what's in there.
Lawson's going to go and see what's in there. So there's the buses coming in, just end up going straight up there. Okay. What's this?
Lemon?
Lemon? Yeah, okay.
Water. What water? What you
Water.
Water first.
Bananas, Bubba. Grab it, bananas, Bubba.
We will eat there. Two? This one?
What's this one?
We'll try this one. Top up one. Half.
Okay. We're really getting that picture here. Oh, Lawson's. Yeah.
Oh, we will queue up for the Lawson? Yeah, we queue up.
Can if you want. So they obviously you queue up here to get a photo off top of
you
Lawson.
eat this first. Half.
Piggyback?
Yeah.
Piggyback baby? Hey? No pork, Bubba. I've had my meal, but Mama hasn't had a meal. The diet starts now. There it is there, Bubba. There's enough there. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so Deer's looking for this lake, Kawawachi. I can't pronounce it. I'm looking for the lake. She's in had lunch. I had lunch. She didn't have lunch because of the chicken teriyaki was cooked in pork, and she didn't want the what it was cooked in, so she didn't have it. Here it is. Here. Here it is, there, Bubba. There it is, Bubba. Bubba keeps asking, where is it? Where is it? How far? How far? There it is, there, Bubba. That's the lake you've been looking for, Bubba. Can you pronounce it, Bubba? Where is she? It took a while to get it. She's had nothing to eat, so she's got no images. Here it is. This is it here. Bubba's taken a while. Come on, Bubba. What's she doing? Down here. There's another Lawson. Money exchange. Ah? She wants lunch first. You made it, Bubba.
There's a masjid one.
You made it.
Where's the masjid? Yeah.
Bubba's made it.
Indo. Halal.
She's looking for
Halal, no pork.
no pork.
There's masjid there.
Okay.
Check the lake.
Okay, I checked the lake while Bubba looks for some food.
Wait, you wait for.
This way, Bubba, this way. Just stand there. Stand there, get photo. Just stand in front of him, to the side. Here, just stand left. That way. Left. Okay, ready? I'll get. Yeah. Get the block in there. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Looks nice. Yeah. Kawaguchi? Check this guy out. This guy here. E.T. It's good. E.T. Yeah. Yeah? Huh? There it is, Bubba. Lake Kawaguchi. I think something like that.
Halal food cafe.
Yeah.